Hi guys! Today we reactivate a Facebook account. First, simply unlock your phone. Now look for the Facebook app on your screen and tap on it to open it. It usually has a blue icon with an F, so it's easy to find. Once the app opens, you'll see the login screen or your previous account options. Here, if you want to reactivate your account, just tap on your user profile or account name showing on the screen. This helps Facebook recognize which account you want to bring back. Now you'll see options to enter your email or phone number. Simply type the email address linked to the account you want to reactivate. Make sure you enter it correctly, because this is how Facebook identifies your account. After entering your email, now type your password carefully. Take your time here, because the correct password is necessary to log in successfully. Once done, tap on the login button to continue. Now, after logging in, your account will start loading for a few seconds. Don't worry if it takes a little time, that's completely normal. In just a moment, Facebook will automatically reactivate your account. And that's it! Your account is now reactivated and ready to use again. You can scroll, post, and use it just like before without any problem. Everything will be restored. So, you're back on Facebook normally. So that's how you can easily reactivate your Facebook account. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any questions.